Good morning to Mr. Nash. Today, I'm going to present my Task 3 PAKK 1142. In this video, I'm going to introduce the theme of my Learning Corner and show how the language activity and the digital resources conducted. Last but not least, I will make a conclusion based on what the teacher could do when children are first introduced to this Learning Corner. The theme of my Learning Corner is about transport, which is an addition topic for 5+ kids. The target lexical items in this Fun Learning Corner will be 11 types of transportation, which are in the air, on the land, and water. In this Learning Corner, activities can be concluded in 2 ways, which is language activities, zip-zap game, word match, word grab, and also transport matching. And the digital activities such as digital flashcard and also memory game. Now, let's take a look at how the zip-zap game is played. In this game, children drag the transport picture to search for and match it with its correct name hidden among a group of unarranged alphabets. In this game, children developed their reading skills by identifying and recognizing transport words, strengthen vocabulary through repeated word exposure, and enhance visual discrimination by scanning and selecting the correct letters in a mixed group. The next game is word grab. Let's go over how this game is played.
The third is bus.
So in this game, 2 sets of printed picture cards with different transport is required in this game. 2 children race to grab the correct printed picture card that represents the word after teachers say related to the transport. For example, bus. The fastest child to grab the correct picture will win a point. In this game, children develop their listening skills by focusing on the teacher's spoken word, strengthen their vocabulary by recalling transport names, and enhance word picture association by matching the word to the correct image. Next, let's explore how the word match game works. In this game, children are given transport picture cards and the shadow of the transport with the spelling of the word. Next, children match each transport to its correct shadow. Then, children trace and write the dotted line of the transport word. In this game, children develop their reading skills by matching transport names with their shadows, improve their writing skills by tracing the words, and enhance visual discrimination by identifying shapes and shadows. Now, let's take a look at the 4th game, which is the transport matching game. In this game, children are given various types of transport cards. Next, they place each card into the correct category, which are sea, land, or air. Then they practice saying the names of the transports aloud and categorize them correctly. In this game, children build their vocabulary by learning and using specific transport related words, improve their skills, which is speaking skills, by saying the names aloud, and strengthen their comprehension by understanding where each transport belongs. Next, let's take a moment to see how the digital flashcards operate.
Plane. P-L-A-N-E. Plane. Plane.
So in these activities, children are shown digital flashcards on a tablet or computer. Next, they tap each card to hear the word's pronunciation and listen to the spelling. Then they repeat the word aloud and match it to the image to reinforce their learning. In this activity, children develop their listening skills by listening the correct pronunciation of word, enhance their reading skills by seeing the word and image together, and practice pronunciation by repeating the word after hearing it. Last, let's explore how the memory game works.
Plane, car, boat, boat.
In this game, children are shown digital memory cards with transport pictures and words. Next, they click on two cards at the same time to try and find matching pairs. Then, they say the name of the transport aloud when they find a match. In this game, children reinforce their memory and vocabulary by recognizing transport words and image. Practice speaking by saying the names aloud when they find a match, and improve their reading skills by associating words with pictures. Last but not least, when children are first introduced to this learning corner, they should be guided by teacher. First of all, teacher can begin with this activity with the digital flashcards to help children recognize different types of transport through engaging visual and also sounds. This approach captures their attention and builds vocabulary in a fun and interactive way. After that, teacher can allow children to explore different activity independently, such as the zip zap game, word grab, transport matching, and also memory game. However, before letting children start on their own, it is important for the teacher to introduce each game clearly and demonstrate how to play so that children understand the rules and objectives. Lastly, for children who have already developed their writing skills, we can guide them to try more advanced tasks like the word match game, where they match the transport pictures to their shadows and also trace the corresponding words, reinforcing both recognition and writing in a meaningful context. That's all about this learning corner. Thank you for watching.